We're unboxing the JBL Go 3 Bluetooth speaker today on this vlog. Hi guys, great day, this is Ryan and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the notification icon. So today we're gonna unbox this JBL Go 3 Bluetooth speaker and see what are its features. Let's check it out. So let's just pick this up. Wow. As you can see now, there you go, JBL Go 3 speaker, and you can see it, you can see through the box. So I really love the orange part right there, but this time it's transparent. In the previous speakers we have a box made of paper. Right now it's kind of like plastic, so dare to listen. There you go, there you go. The back shows, and we have here 5 hours of playtime, and take note, waterproof and dust proof. So there you go, Harman Kardon, love it. All right, so I've chosen this colorway. This is a good one because it's like a grayish or silverish and teal. Looks good. So we're gonna open this right now so that we can have a feel of the speaker. By the way, I think this is the 4th JBL Go Bluetooth speaker, and JBL never fails to amaze us with wonderful products. As you can see, they're one of the leading authority when it comes to music and audio. So there you go. Opening this up. I'm gonna slide it out right there. Ooh, easy. There you go. As you can see, the speaker now in the flesh. All right, so I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna take the paperwork out, and there you go. We have now the cord there for charging. Slide it out. Whoa. And as you can see now, in the previews we have a micro USB, but right now this speaker goes along with, I would like you to focus on that, with a USB Type-C. Wow. Of course, don't forget the orange lining there. It's kind of cool. So these are the paperwork. We're gonna open it later on. Of course, let's get to the main part. There you go, here you go, here you go. Alright, there you go. Nice feeling. Nice colors. I love the texture, the JBL logo right there. Curvy. Wow. Anti-slip footing. This is the back part. Love it. Let's get closer. Whoa, look at that, the detail. I really love the way they designed this one. So I'd like it to get a look. Wow. JBL Go 3 Bluetooth speaker. Unlike the other ones, this one looks kind of modern and a youthy vibe. So there you go. Volume rocker plus the play button right there. On the sides we have here the, let's take focus on, oh, the logo right there. Go 3 Bluetooth connectivity button and the power button right there. Take a look at that. So that's the rubber footing. Feels good in the hands. So handy that it's like anti-slip and won't slip into your hand. So And right there, I love it. Like they place this thing here, and you can carry it out, and you can just drag it and make it hang. Like you can place some hook right there. Woo! See, for added the security that it won't slip down or it won't fall. I love the feel of this in my hands. Also, kind of sticks because of this corrugated part of the speaker. I love it. So as you can see, this is a Bluetooth and this is waterproof, by the way. So you can take this in the beach, the seashore while you're relaxing. By the way, we're gonna listen to this and gonna take a quick review of how it sounds. Let's gonna try the sounds, how it sounded. So I set up my mic down there and let's power it on. Whoa! It's like Transformers powering up. Then let's connect it to Bluetooth. Right, so you could connect to the phone. Then we're gonna look for some music. I'm gonna put this down, and the sounds that you're gonna hear are directly from the speaker. So listen up. Take a dive into how the JBL Go 3 speaker sounds like. Right there. So as you can see and hear, the bass is well defined. It does not just look good, but it sounds good. So let's try the volume rocker right here. Wow. You hear that? So loud and powerful, you don't even don't even expect that from a small speaker like this. So satisfying. Good on the hands, good on the ears. Let's wait for that bass drop. Right there. It's just a small speaker, but the bass is defined. You can hear it kicking. Right there. Awesome. Love it. Let's listen to some more. Right there. This is just the JBL Bluetooth speaker with my condenser mic on. So the sounds that you're gonna hear are directly from the speaker. If you wanna listen to it and to really get a feel of it, you can have to listen with it through your earphones, headphones. Yes. There you go. See? Portable, good looking JBL Go 3 Bluetooth speaker. Awesome. Yeah. By the way, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. I'll see you again on our next unboxing. What do you want me to unbox next? Leave on the comments below. This is Ryan. The best is coming. See you again soon.